Can an arrest be illegal? Know your rights. Imagine being arrested and not even knowing why. Sounds unjust, right? Well, the Supreme Court of India just reaffirmed your right to be informed of the grounds of arrest. Let's break it down. Section 50 of the Code of Criminal Procedure mandates that any person arrested without a warrant must be informed of the reason in writing. This is reinforced by Article 22, Clause 1 of the Constitution, ensuring protection against arbitrary detention. In December 2024, Ashish Kakkar was arrested under multiple IPC sections, including 384-420 and 120B. However, he wasn't given a written document specifying the grounds of arrest. Despite challenging his arrest, the Punjab and Haryana High Court dismissed his plea. But the Supreme Court had a different take. Citing the Prabir Purkayastha v. State 2024 case, the Supreme Court ruled that an arrest memo without detailed charges does not meet the legal requirement. It held that failing to provide written grounds of arrest violates both Section 50 CrPC and constitutional rights. This ruling strengthens legal safeguards against unlawful detention and sets a precedent for future arrests. Law enforcement agencies must ensure compliance, or the arrest itself could be invalidated. Knowing your rights is crucial. If you or someone you know is arrested, demand a written explanation. Justice begins with awareness. For more legal insights, subscribe and stay informed.